Hi guys! Today it's Angel here, and today this is a 3-month slime. So we made this 3 months ago. So let's open it.
It's a bit hard at the top, but inside it's sticky. So
I can do it.
hard and then sticky.
You done it.
Try and make this pulley. Oh, it's sticky underneath.
Is it?
Yeah.
Well, that looks so cool.
It looks nice, and then once you touch it, it's sticky.
I'm brave.
Nice.
I'm touching it really. It feels nice. It's sticky.
Look at that. It's like a 3-month-old plate of slime.
Looks like pancakes.
Let's put loads in. Okay.
I ain't ever seen slime like that before.
Yeah.
Hey, back. Yeah.
Let's try not to get it on the table.
Oh, I can feel the rice at the bottom. I'm gonna bring it up, and you can see there's rice in it.
Do you think you can make it back into slime?
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to try and do that. I'm trying to bring all the rice
Daddy,
up. Look.
in the middle you'll need to make some more activator.
Rice.
You'll have to make some more activator, Daddy, after this.
That slime is massive as
Lots of
well.
rice at the bottom.
Put some words of activator in.
I'm just gonna keep my hand in it.
There's so much in there.
Can't move my hand.
Pasta. I'm breaking up pasta.
Oh yeah, you put pasta in that slime.
Oh no, it's on the table. I'm
Uh,
not getting this hand. Just this. I'm just gonna do one hand.
Me too.
uh,
Oh, you can
Look
see my
at
hair, Casey.
I'm bringing it up, and I can see rice and pasta.
what's the pasta feel like? Is it soft now?
Yeah, it's actually soft, and the rice is a bit hard.
Let's have a look really close.
Yeah. We could make a massive bubble. It did last time on our video. Check that video out what we made of about this.
Yeah, you made that slime on a video.
You can see.
Time to ruin it.
Once you lift it all up, you can see all the rice and the pasta. Look at all that pasta and rice.
See, you're getting on my bubble.
Look at that rice.
Put some activator in. I think you need lots. Angel, when we made that first, it was normal slime. Was it? It was normal slime when we made it, wasn't it?
Lift it up. You'll just see that there's rice and pasta. The rice you can feel like it's hard, and then the pasta is soft. Soft and hard rice and pasta.
Oh.
It's all over the table as well.
Who's cleaning up?
Look at all of it, right there, pasta. It's dripping all over my hands now.
It's pasta slime, that, Angel.
Yay, look at
We're stuck together.
Is that so satisfying?
It's actually satisfying, but it's sticky at the same time.
It's going into it though.
It feels weird and it's satisfying at the same time.
I'm gonna mix a little bit in my hands. First. And then
I don't think anyone could make that into a big ball of slime again.
I think we can.
I'm gonna take a bit of pasta out. That's the pasta inside all the slime. It's soft.
Has it gone soft?
Yeah.
When we put it in, it was hard, wasn't it?
Yeah. And now it's gone really soft.
I'm making this into a slime.
Whee!
This is actually working out quite nice.
It's working out nice.
Yeah, this tiny one.
I wonder why it needs more activator after you leave it for a long time.
Is it because we've got pasta and
Do you
rice?
think the activator goes somewhere?
Oh my god, look at my hand. It won't go off my hand.
Clothes.
This is like a frisbee or a pancake. Would you like a pancake in the restaurant?
My mum will kill me now.
Look at that. Pasta everywhere and rice. once you put your hand in the slime, all you can feel is rice and pasta and slime, that's all. Yuck. It's so sticky and tough.
You're the cleanest, Keisha. How?
I'm not touching it with my other hand. But once you lift it up, it hurts your hand a bit because it's really tough.
Do you remember when we made the blue slime with Keisha and she didn't get one bit of slime anywhere?
Well, that was rude.
How?
I don't know. She made slime and didn't get one bit of herself.
It's so
Remember
tough.
the activator?
Thickness makes it tough. You can't pull it that much. It's really tough to pull. Really tough.
Just keep mixing it now.
I'm just gonna keep squeezing it in my hand to make it try and stick all together.
You're the only one in that one now.
It's so nice. I might need to I'm mixing it with.
Do you know what we should do? We should leave that. We should leave that slime for another 3 months and see what happens after that.
So just go real sticky again.
I wonder why it goes sticky after you leave it, because when we made it was perfect.
Rice.
It smells from the weather.
Yeah, because the weather's been hot.
I'm going to do my second hand. Yeah. Give me a bit of
Is that all gone?
That won't be sticky slime anymore.
Is it all gone?
Yeah.
Get me some of that activator in my hand, wipe some of my hand into this. And we need to try and get all off my hand. And try and stretch
Get right
it.
into it. Let's get right
muscles.
Big muscles. Oh no. It's not in your hair, good. That's good. Because if it goes in your hair, it takes ages to get out.
It doesn't with me. Take 2 seconds.
Look at this. I need some activator in my
did you hear that
hand.
pump?
Is it wet in there? Yes, I got some on mine. And try and stretch it and try and get off my hand. This is not bad.
In the first place.
The one in my hand isn't that much sticky now.
I'm taking this.
Neither is mine.
The one in my hand's not sticky that much now. Just need to get all off my hand and keep stretching it and it'll go away.
Jill, why don't we put the
Is that
That's
activator?
sticky.
What is that activator on the table?
Yeah.
Yes.
Keisha, what if we put putty inside slime?
It'll go putty slime. Mine's not sticky now. Look, it's not sticking onto the table.
Angel, why don't you put the lid back on that slime
Keep
and we'll
playing
leave
with
it for 3 months and see what happens. What do you think?
It'll go melty again, I think.
Yeah. Well, I want to put putty in the slime. See what it turns out like. Because your pudding is fine.
This has actually turned out nice now.
I'm
have a
breaking
look.
apart.
This bit has. Now I have to get some sticky slime and mix it into my good slime and see if it'll go nice with that
I want
bit.
to use your good slime.
It's getting good.
What if we mix it together?
Try and get it all off my hand. That's my good slime what I made. Well, I made it less sticky, but it's a bit sticky.
Well, it's glossy.
I'm gonna try and make this sticky slime
It's real sticky.
and try
I
and
think
make
that
it.
slime's because it's got a lot of activator in it, that's why it's hard to pull apart.
I'm gonna try and make this sticky slime good like that one. What I did. So I'm gonna go around and wipe my activator in this bit.
Is there no activator left in there?
No, we're out.
We're out of activator.
Hey, Keish, she's a little bit here.
We're We're out of activator.
That's it, rub your slime in the activator. There's a little bit there, Keish.
Yeah.
On the table.
This is gonna go nicely. It's going nicely. It's not sticking onto me. And see if I can make a bubble, and I can.
Whoa, that's massive. Bubble slime.
I want to try. Mine isn't that sticky.
Look at that.
Mine isn't that
It crackles. And
Mine
you get
isn't sticky.
bubbles in it. Stretch it out again.
Oh, it's really nice.
Push it more in this. Oh, it's sticking onto me. Again. There's some here. Some more.
I want to do
I'm going to go over here, get some more sticky slime into my good slime. Is that good slime?
Yeah.
Yeah, mix that one into your other good slime. So we're going to put this lid back on the slime and leave it for another 3 months. See what happens. There it is. And it may
Turn out good.
turn out good in 3 months, but I think it's going to melt again.
Need a good lid on, like a proper lid. My God!